ya Nyamira rero ningo yarengeri ukoryo kwenyura uburwaire bw'obokya kwa manyinga sobre gusoba umanyekate buna Sickle Cell ase serikali ya Kaunti ya Kisii yabage kwarigania umunyega bwerutweri ya rero uwatrana ne serikali na se wizara y'obokenu bwensemo area ya maroira tari kwambukira gose NCD non communicable diseases egati yababwatani banda bankinigo bakoretaro yabokuru asinyegetari ya Kisii Teaching Referral wekase eskuru yobobunde ya Kisii National Polytechnic ase omuriba yobakogo kerekana gukwana ninga bagwatani bakwerera amange goroboro bwega bwa Sickle Cell natauna noborwaire bokwa gosinoborwaire muntu akoiboru nabarabuna igo kuboria abantu gutagaine kabuna noborwaire bokwambukira gose nengana yoborogi digono nyana babantu abakuboru kwene kyabuna tibali ko babisa bali abakoiboru noborwaire bwega kurenda ko basokya edio konyora gukonyeka ase chinyagitari robotyo rwasobo ibenyo twari no muri Kito Vincent Onyancha
ime ye Kaunti ya Kisii netaro ya segetwa ne wizara choba chano kurwa serikali na weka serikali cheje Kaunti abwa asba kunyurali tukerigali yokonyara kumurekera uburere bwokya kwa manyinga asomobere wizara yobo chano ni gobakoletara yabo kurwa senyagetari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital weka aseskurelia ya Kisii National Polytechnic abwa asomo yego monene okorekana Korengana nomu director uyoteneta murera yatari kwambukira NCD nigo akwa nigoro y'uburiro bwa Sickle Cell Anaemia anemono nagote abuna nigo bongo rebonde bwensi nakonyara gote abuna abantu abangire gote batumanyi igoro y'uburiro bo na negote abange nigo barokane konenge tokobwatekana n'uburiro bo.
So in terms of the challenges that we face with sickle cell disease, it's a lack of awareness in the community because people do not understand why sickle cell disease happens and why children are born with sickle cell disease. There's a lot of misconception about how this disease is transmitted. And generally most people ascribe it to witchcraft or curses or other areas.
Wena bochinga kichininga nyara kuboria abantu buna babasakoro boiro bokya kwa manyinga somobere kubwatani noboroge asate birebuna echo ne chimbwa stari kubwaterana no boriro bwo nagote yabuna nabo bongo borebonde bwensi oburali umuntu boria botari kwambukira obanyakanete buna NCD.
Find that families who have children with sickle cell disease or individuals living with sickle cell disease are really stigmatized and ostracized in their communities. NCD Alliance will be working with persons living with sickle cell disease, capacity building them on advocacy for them to one, to understand their condition, two, to understand the treatment and care and how they can self-manage themselves and what they need to look out for, and also public participation.
Nengana boy go nyara koy woko boko no director teneta mangana ya moroira yo NCD me ye Kaunti ya Kisii asate birebuna asemiti nyebere yabere kego heta imenya gatari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital babere bakorenga abana obalense miti nyebere no mutinyo yomo kwene kigosembale no borero gote abuna nigo banyorere kerengo kia 4% osenya semia utoka no borero buna koboria abantu bwesokeri abana babo kunyara korengwa.
Kisii County, the past 2 months, we've done a number of screening of under 1 year olds, that is infants, and our positivity rate is increasing, and that is giving us a wake-up call. 14% of the patients who are screened were noted to have sickle cell trait, and 4% had sickle cell disease.
Chingaki chumo waziri wabochenu imeje Kaunti ya Kisii Ronald Nyakweba niganya rekobolia abantu kwane kinangwe soki bali kunyara korengo bunenchire mujo kunyara gwekeranyo bakorre bwabo nagote yabune serikali kubwatira namuni nyagatali ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital imeje Kaunti ya Kisii igoboyero tekurwa bakorre bwabo asenchira etakire.
But as a county government and the Department of Health, we are equal to the task. We have specialists trained specifically to handle this disease. Ugonjwa ukijulikana mapema bila shaka utatibiwa. Kwa hivyo tunawasihi mfanye vile nimesema, muitikie wito wetu, mfike pale, madaktari wetu wako na instructions.
Nigo chinga kiechio oyo mwa boroire bali bamenye no borero bwa senga kentambe bwa Sickle Cell soko kwa manyinga nigakorera buna amenyere n'ubureiro bwase myaka 43 na gote abuna abantu mbabase kubwatani ubureiro bwo namangana arengete oborogi.
We know I am a sickle cell patient, 43 years young, living with sickle cell positively. I do advocacy for sickle cell disease. Watu wangu tafadhali, sickle cell si uchawi, si umerogwa. It's just a disease like any other. You see how beautiful I am? It's because sickle cell has never defined me.
No mujega urwa basemi go cyasa bange nchira banyara komenya kwerenda kurwa soburahiro bwo. Na neno kubori kwa kurogwa abantu bakolengwa anekero barabake. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV koroga iga asensemo ya Kisii National Polytechnic Nyamira County ya Kisii literani nchi mkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.